right, this is going to be video 5. This is going to be deploying, scening, and storing a camcorder. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the camcorder out. You are going to walk over to your already set. Actually, we're going to put the camcorder back. Watch this. We're going to put the camcorder back. We are going to take this off, then go over to our camcorder. We are going to attach the plate to the bottom of the camcorder. That's if the plate wants to be attached, that is. There we go. Plate is attached, and then from there, we can set it right back onto the plate, like so. Turn that back up. And then from there, you're gonna wanna open it, turn it on, and it is now recording. And then you can take, this is going to be camera 2. So we are gonna take our cord that says camera 2, plug the HDMI bit into the camera.
What's a football field called?
Grady Field.
Like so. And then when you go on to OBS, which we don't currently have on, but in an imaginary world that OBS is turned on, you're gonna go to the bottom section, you're gonna add a scene, and you are going to find the media that is labeled camera 2. And then you can record it, and then when you're done, you disable OBS, you unplug your camera, you detach, you close the, well, you gotta turn it off. No, turn it off. There you go. Close it, take this board off, detach the camera from the board, put the camera back in the bag. Flip it, and put the board back on the tripod.